Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of spacetime. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Price analysis. IOTA jumps 7%, while Filecoin struggles to trade above $40. Consolidation across the cryptocurrency market right after a period of volatility is a common scenario. Today, most altcoins were trading southwards, while some struggled with less to no price action. Some coins have also moved against the broader market sentiments, to trade in the green. The technical outlook gave off mixed trading signals. IOTA, for instance, had jumped up the charts, while Filecoin has displayed lateral price action in the last couple of days. The vital price levels for these two coins have been mentioned below. IOTA United States $4-hour chart. IOTA had been bullish over the past week and a half, right after it experienced a dip at the beginning of this month. The coin registered a 40% appreciation in the first week of December. However, IOTA had managed to recover the loss it incurred as the currency was trading at $1.45 at the time of writing. Over the past day, the altcoin secured a 7% gain, and as technicals survived in the destroyed house. Source: Twitter @YourMadeInPress. Team Saplienko 2412. United States-based crypto exchange Kraken has announced an ambitious aid package aiming to distribute United States $10 meters in Bitcoin (BTC) to its Ukrainian clients. Ukrainian users who created a Kraken account prior to March 9 will be eligible to receive United States $1,000 worth of Bitcoin starting March 10 and running till the end of the month, the exchange said in a statement on Wednesday. We hope to continue being able to provide critical financial services in a time of need to both our clients in Ukraine and in Russia. Jesse Powell, CEO of Kraken, was quoted as saying, "Cryptocurrency remains an important humanitarian tool, especially at a time when many around the world can no longer rely on traditional banks and custodians." Powell said the exchange added that received funds can be immediately withdrawn, and that it will cover fees of up to United States $1,000. In the trading volume. After the end of the Great Delivery Day, the trading volume of Bitcoin spot and perpetual contracts has declined by about 15%, while the volume of Ethereum has changed within 5%, similar to last week. As mainstream digital assets gradually become stable, the hedging properties of mainstream assets such as Bitcoin are gradually being brought into play. For speculators, unless leverage is used, the existing profit margins can no longer meet their needs, and the use of leverage also may magnify the risk to an unacceptable level. As a result, short sellers and speculators began to turn their targets to non-mainstream digital assets. Double kill. Long-short confrontation on Filecoin. This week investors made heavy bets on non-Ethereum public chain and non-transactional chain applications, cloud storage, cloud transmission, Internet of Things. Holo leads the public chain tokens. Nervo's network, Solana, Icon, Clay and even established projects such as Tron and EOS have achieved a considerable increase of more than 50%. Non-trading chain application projects Filecoin, BitTorrent and Helium performed more prominently. The current market value has reached $12.824 $5.667 and $1.056, respectively, with an increase of over 70%. It is worth noting that Filecoin, the cloud storage project on the chain, experienced huge price fluctuations this week. Beginning on March 30, the price of Filecoin began to rise, starting from around $125, reaching a peak of around $230 at a time, nearly doubled, and then turning down, and fell to around $190 within a few hours. Responded to it at an equal level. RSI, at the time of writing, stood at the 49 mark looking south. Notably, technicals make it obvious to understand that the current market isn't offering buy the dip opportunity. But what about the metrics? Well, the price chart may not be able to show the latent money-making opportunity, but on-chain metrics reveal the true picture. And, in the case Filecoin, the scenario looks dull and worrisome. The on-chain volume has been decreasing unexpectedly. Even though there have been a few upticks in 2022, but none of it could match the highs of 2021. This clearly reveals that traders have been exiting their positions. In fact, the long-term holders have also been choosing to sell their tokens. For investors' sentiment to stay strong, the coin's social dominance plays an important role. Well, Phil's social dominance has been below zero after 10 November 2021. It simply sets out to equalize that the token wasn't being discussed even during the bull market. To put it simply, Filecoin hasn't been getting attention from the investors who are willing to make money. Amidst all the negative signs, it's important to note that the development activity has been on a rise, despite the massive fall in price. In fact, the Filecoin team seems to be leveling up its game post-December 2021. At the time of this analysis, the development activity stood strong at 48.45 counts. However, it remains to be seen if the development activity alone can take Phil up the price charts. And second, use Filecoin. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? Filecoin, Phil, has vigorously lost most of its value in the last year since its April 2021 high. In the last price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin, Phil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Filecoin could cross $472.60 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2029. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2029 will be around $407.27. Filecoin price prediction 2030. In 2030, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Filecoin will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $688.60 in 2030. The price ranges will be very trendy, if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $574.82 with a maximum price of $688.60 in 2030.